For 2018, the 5 rupees has been refreshed to ride on Audi's second age MLB stage. A similar pack serves under the A4, A5, Q7, and others, and with a twin-turbocharged 2.9-litre V6. The V6 replaces the especially resonant normally suctioned 4.2-litre V8 that served in the past age 5 rupees. The V6 might be down 2 barrels, yet drive is unaltered at 450, and the turbos increment torque from 317 lb-ft to a far meatier 443 lb-ft, and furthermore push the yield tops further down the tach. Maximum control is accessible at 6700 rpm. 1550 lower than sometime recently, and top torque comes online at 1900 rpm, an entire 2100 rpm lower. The 90° 6 is 44 pounds lighter than the V8. The auto is 132 pounds lighter generally speaking, all blower equipment included, and its 2 turbochargers are settled in the valley between the chamber banks. This Hot V setup's biggest advantage is 2 outflows, as per Audi Sport boss Stephan Reil, since the impetuses warm up more rapidly, because of shorter separations between the turbos, the fumes valves, and the impetuses. Less pipes likewise lessen slack, and this V6 is without a doubt a serious hard charger, with power, torque, and speed arriving in a close prompt wave that escalates relatively to the point of your correct lower leg. Audi gauges the 0 to 62 miles per hour keep running at 3.9 seconds, or about a large portion of a tick snappier than the 0 to 60 time we recorded for the active 5 rupees. We believe Audi's number is just about right. Valuing for the Roadster begins around $70,000 and will top out about $15,000 over that. Standard gear incorporates 20-inch wheels, with a brief extra tire, and a black optics appearance pack that obscures the mirror tops, body side prosper, raised lip spoiler, and lower front sash trim. Indeed, that implies silver mirror tops. Long a sign of RS autos won't be accessible here, in any event at first. They are among the decisions accessible to clients in different markets, as are carbon fiber or silver completions for the black opticized outside pieces, and in addition an exposed carbon fiber rooftop that may be offered here, if Audi USA can ensure its crash worthiness. Choices incorporate 3 bundles: Dynamic Plus, and RS Driver Assistance. The first is around $3,000 and nets red brake calipers, flexible dampers, and RS Sport deplete with dark tips. This is required to arrange the $6,000 Dynamic Plus package, which incorporates the artistic brakes, a carbon fiber motor cover, and an expansion in top speed from 155 miles per hour to 174. At long last, the help package brings a 360° C camera, a head-up show, programmed high pillars, path keeping help, and movement sign acknowledgement. It additionally carries versatile journey with car influx help that will quicken and stop the auto, and that works at speeds up to 155 miles per hour, while likewise mechanizing the directing in specific circumstances underneath 40 miles per hour.